NAFCON 23 here. I'm going to be breaking this box of 2016 Panini Black Gold Football. About 4 hits per box, 10 cards per box. This is a hobby box, so let's get into it. Hopefully we get something nice. Here's our 2 packs. Hopefully we get something cool. First up, we got this franchise gold, Ray Lewis, Ed Reed, and Terrell Suggs, 73 of 225. Next up, we got this Connor Cook, and that's 232 of 249 mother load. And then next up we got some Panini points, 250. Not that cool. Pretty lame. And then Amari Cooper, Golden Hands, 55 of 199. Then Jamal Charles, Shadow Box, 5 of 25. Alright, hopefully our next pack is a lot better. John Elway, Shadow Box, 4 of 225. Then we got this Marcus Mariota, Golden Arms, 19 of 225. Then this Mother Load of Sterling Shepard, and that is 97 of 99. Rookie autograph of Tajay Sharp. That's 68 of 225. And our last card is a mother load of Wendell Smallwood. That's 47 of 199. Pretty bad box, so thanks for watching.